How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be making a video on how to install Clone Hero on a Mac. This Mac that I have is a 2015 MacBook Pro with Mac OS High Sierra. So Clone Hero just came out with a new update so that they have native Mac support. So I have the links here in the description. When you click on the Clone Hero download link, you're going to get this here. You just download the full file, a zip, and you're going to have that download down here. And then the other thing you're going to need to use is, depending on what controller, you're going to need a driver for your controller. So I recommend the 360 controller because they work no problem. There's no input lag. And if you're going to do that, download this 360 controller 0.16.8. I'm going to have that in the description as well. If you don't use this exact version, you might have some issues. And this is just the most updated version of the driver right now. Download those two files there. I got the 360 controller, and I also have the whole Clone Hero file. So the 360 controller I'm not going to install again because I already have it done. It's straight up just a DMG file. You're just going to open it up and you go through the installer, no problem. With the Clone Hero one, it's a zip, so you're just going to unarchive that. And then when you go into here to the file, you're going to have a bunch of different ones here. So everything I'm saying is pretty much outlined in the README Mac text file. But you're not going to need any of these ones for Windows. Only thing you're going to need is the mac.dmg file. And again, it's a straight up DMG file, so you're not going to have any compatibility issues. You just open it up and you're going to go through the installer, no problem. Drag it into your applications folder and not an issue. So once you have all those three done, in order to use the, let's find it out here. So in order to use the Xbox 360 controller driver, you're going to open up your system preferences, and down here on the bottom you should see Xbox 360 controllers. Just plugged in the wireless adapter because I have a wireless Les Paul from 360. So you plug in the adapter. When I turn on my controller, you're going to see a pair up here. It automatically does it for me. You just gotta have to press the pair button on your thing if you don't have it paired up. Now this has every single compatibility you want. If you see here, the stick is moving up and down. That's my star power feature going, no problem. So it gets everything. That's the whammy bar. You see all your buttons work, and you shouldn't have an issue there. So when everything works there, you just make sure everything's binded the proper way. You're gonna get rid of your system preferences, and if you go search up here, find Clone Hero, or you go into your applications folder, however you get your applications. I have mine pinned down here, but you just find Clone Hero, the actual application. When you go into it, you shouldn't have a single issue here. My 360 controller automatically got recognized. All you have to do when you go into it, if you want to play, hit the start button. But anyways, you should not have a single issue. Mine's a little bit laggy because I'm screen recording. But you can go in your settings. If you need the controls, just hit spacebar on your keyboard, and this is gonna get you be able to bind every single thing you need. Possibly you can calibrate it, whatever you need. And now I'll go over how to get some custom content. You're going to go to your Finder. I hit go to folder, and a good way to do it is first off just go to the application support file. So I'm gonna have this so you can copy and paste it there in your Mac itself, but I go to application support myself, and then what you're going to be looking for is, let's see, com.shrilian.clonehero, or however you say it. Now you can just go directly into this file here. This has everything that you're going to need, but I made an alias so that this is a shortcut on my computer, so all you have to do is just hit make alias. When you have this alias, you can just drag that onto your, you can drag that onto your desktop, and then you're going to have that right there, right? So this is the same thing as Clone Hero content that I have. I have mine renamed. But if you click this alias here, you're going to go directly in that folder so you can put all your songs in. So as soon as you open up the game for the first time, it's going to make all these files for you. So you have custom, where you can put in your highways, image backgrounds, video backgrounds. In your song folder, you just put basically all your songs. It doesn't matter if they're in a folder or not. Like I have all mine kind of organized half here, and that's pretty much it. So the next time you go into the game, in order to get all your stuff, as soon as you put everything into the custom folder there, when you choose your profile and your controller, and you're going to go down to settings, scan songs. I don't have any new songs, so it's not going to get anything from me. But as soon as you hit scan songs, you're perfect. If you want to use your custom content, you go into custom content, rescan custom content, and that brings everything in there. You can choose your background info, your background picture or whatever. It's all up to you. I just keep mine at random. And then if you go into quick play, you can pick any of your songs. You can search. It's just regular clone here. So anyways, guys, that's how you use it. If there's any questions, let me know in the comments. And you shouldn't have any issues. Thanks.